Hi all, this is Harni. Welcome back to our channel Code with Harni. Today we are going to solve September day 7 LeetCode challenge, which is find n unique integers sum up to 0. Okay, so what they are telling, they'll be giving you n, return an array containing n unique integers such that they add up to 0. So they have given n equals to 5. Here if you see minus 7 minus 1 minus 8, 1 3 4 is 8. So n equals to 3 minus 1 0 plus 1 gives us n equals to 3. You can also choose minus 2 0 plus 2. That also will give you 0 minus 3 plus 3 will also give you 0. So n equals to 1, which means you have to return only 0. You don't have a choice, right? So from this, it's not like you have to return only this. You can return any array that if you add array values that should return sum of those values will give you 0. Got it? So now just take a look how we are going to approach this question. Okay, let's take an example as n equals to 5 and n equals to 4. Okay, so it's very easy to know if n equals to 5 for sure if you take it in a line. Okay, uh, 0 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, right? So they already told us we can return any array, right? So in that case, if you see, if we for n equals to 5, if we return this, so we know, okay, this will form a 0, right? Why they have given an example different way, minus 7 minus 1 0 1 2 minus 8 means here you can give 1 and 7. Okay, something like that. You can, they have taken some different numbers, but they told us we can return any array. So from the number line we know, if you take, if it is 5, so odd numbers we can take 0, and next to in total it is 5. Any odd numbers will include 0 as well, because if you didn't include 0, it will never come 0, because we have to take positive as well as negative. It's not like it will not come 0, but it, for our easier case, we are just telling we can take 0. Okay, if it is even number, just ignore this 0 and you take this 2. Yeah, this is the simple approach that we are going to use. We are going to use, if the n was odd, we are going to take 0. If it n is even, we are not going to take 0. And I will travel till half of the so n for n, if you divide it by 2, what it will come? It has to go till 2. This also should go till 2. So we will be getting whenever the I we are traversing will be like plus I and minus I upon it in the array. That's it. So when I is equals to 1, for this both we will be traversing till 2. So when I, for resultant array, initially it will be 0. When I equals to 1, you would have appended minus 1 as well as plus 1. So when I equals to 2, you would have appended plus 2 and minus 2. But so for n equals to 4, it is a even number, right? So we wouldn't have added 0. So now if you append this 1 to minus 1 minus 2, our resultant array will come 0. This is a simple strategy that we are going to use to solve. If you see this answer, see, resultant array equals to 0 if n mod 2 equal to 1, which is odd. So else we'll be taking empty array, we'll be traversing till n divided by 2. Why you are putting plus 1? Because that will be the till 2 we have to traverse, right? So if you didn't add plus 1, it will go till 1. That's why. So we will be traversing from 1 to index, whatever the resultant array will be appending I and minus I. So yeah, it will get cancelled each others, so we'll get 0. I hope you guys would have understood what we have done. So here they have given different examples. So just for confusing us, they have given, but this is the basic thing. I have told we can return any array, right? So yeah, it doesn't matter. So we have just made the approach easier. Yeah. So the time complexity will be order of n by 2, and our space complexity will be order of n, as we are storing the resultant r. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be glad to assist. The GitHub link to the solutions will be provided in the video description for your reference. If you found this video helpful, I would truly appreciate if you could like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Your support motivates me to continue creating more videos. If you if you want daily video notification, please hit the bell icon. Yeah, thanks for watching.